Blake Lively just dropped a new filing today. And honestly, it feels less like a legal document and more like someone walking into court hoping pure confidence can replace actual evidence. She's demanding spoliation sanctions again, even though she still can't point to a single missing message that supports her claims. She wants the court to punish Justin for evidence she openly admits she does not have. She's trying to build a retaliation case out of thin air, then acting shocked when it refuses to turn into something solid. And somehow, she believes this approach is going to work. This time, she's reaching straight for the court's nuclear option, a punishment reserved for real, documented misconduct, not imaginary text bubbles she can't describe. She's essentially accusing Justin of burning down a house full of incriminating messages, but she can't explain what was supposedly inside that house. No screenshots, no notes, no descriptions, nothing. She walks in with the same empty hand she's had for months and wants the judge to pretend it's full of explosive evidence. She keeps insisting these missing signal threads were her smoking gun, but whenever anyone asks her to describe even one message, she freezes. No quotes, no summaries, not even a believable guess. She wants punishment first and evidence later, which is not how trials work. Instead of a legal argument, she's giving full theater, full performance, full musical. But judges don't give out Tony Awards. At this point, her case feels like a doomed group project. She didn't do her part, so she's blaming everyone else for losing the assignment. Justin destroyed the evidence. Wayfarer destroyed evidence. PR destroyed evidence. Everyone is guilty except she can't explain what this evidence supposedly was. And here's something I want you to answer in the comments. Do you think someone should be punished for destroying evidence when the accuser can't even describe what the evidence was? Yes or no? And why? Back to the chaos. She keeps shouting digital campaign like it's some dark Hollywood conspiracy instead of standard PR crisis management. She repeats the phrase so many times you'd think she's hoping chanting it will magically produce proof she never had. Then comes her obsession with Signal. She acts like auto-deleting messages is some shocking, guilty behavior, when in reality, half of Hollywood uses Signal because TMZ exists. Agents use it, publicists use it, every high-visibility professional uses it. It's normal. But Blake wants the judge to pretend everyone should have predicted her lawsuit an entire year before she filed it and saved every private chat like they were National Archives. She even claims Justin's support group messages probably contain incriminating material simply because she can't imagine him not talking about her. She wants the court to treat her imagination as evidence. Then comes her biggest stretch yet. She wants the court to backdate the duty to preserve evidence to November 2023, a full year before the lawsuit. That's not foresight, that's fortune-telling. Eventually, she admits what everyone already suspected. She doesn't know what the messages said. She can't show them. She can't prove they mattered. Her own filing admits the contents cannot be demonstrated. And then she adds, that's the point. No, that's the problem. You can't demand sanctions for evidence you can't describe. It's like accusing someone of burning a confession, but refusing to say what the confession was about. Her strategy becomes clear. She doesn't want to prove misconduct. She wants the judge to assume misconduct. That's the legal equivalent of my dog ate my homework, give me an A anyway. She drags the Wallace team next. They used Signal. They deleted messages. They did PR. None of that proves retaliation. None of it ties to her claims. If your whole case is about connecting dots, maybe try having more than one dot. The more she pushes this narrative, the more the cracks show. If she had screenshots, we'd be drowning in them. If she had documents, they'd be on every page. Instead, she keeps filing sanction requests like someone shaking a vending machine, hoping a bag of receipts falls out. Justin stays calm because he understands one basic truth Blake keeps ignoring. Missing messages don't win trials.
Evidence wins trials. Facts win trials. Right now, her case is running on drama and wishful thinking. She's sketching an outline and begging the court to color it in. When your strongest argument is that the evidence you need is missing, that's not a case. That's a plot hole. If this is what she has left heading into January, she knows what's coming. And unless the judge dismisses this mess first, the courtroom is about to deliver a brutal dose of reality. So buckle up, because these filings get wilder every week, and the next twist is probably around the corner.